Now we're going to set up WordPress SEO plugin. Okay, so if you go here plugins and if you click on add new this plugin just here, then if you search your SEO, then you will get here few plugins, Yoast SEO, Rank Math, and you will get this plugin. I personally use 3 of this plugin. I use 3 of them, and this is good. This have a lot of more features, and this is also have. Yoast SEO is good if you are completely beginner, I think. So you can go with this Yoast SEO. So I'm going to install this plugin and I just activate it. But if you like to use the other plugin, then you can simply copy their name and search on YouTube. Then you will get to see a few of these video about that. Then if you like it, then you can just install and follow the video. Okay. All right. So now let's go here. The next. Okay. So as you can see on left side, we get an option Yoast SEO, and this is something they're telling like, okay, it's installed successfully. Now we just need to do configuration. You can simply skip it from here so that in later you can do, or you can start it right now. Just click on this start fast time configuration. All right, so now let's click on this start SEO data optimization, and it's gonna take a little bit of time. And then we're going to click on this continue button. And now let's click on this continue this button. And now we need to tell us about a website. Is it person or like organization? So it's my and a person. So I can type here the website name. It's going to be expert azi. So whenever someone just going to search in Google, they will get to see this way. They will get to see the avatar and they will get to see like this. Okay. So name gonna be this one. Okay, and this is, we need to add here a logo. So let's select a logo. So I'm going to select my own and let's save and continue. So in this avatar, try to put your website site icon. That's going to be more better. It's something like on the top you can see. This is mainly site avatar it's called. Okay, now let's save and continue. Personal preference, I don't really want it. I don't want. Let's click on this save and continue this button. And yep, or go to this dashboard, just click on here. Then as you can see, we successfully come in here. So now let's click on this setting button, and when the setting, as you can see, we just need to enable this one also, and let's save changes. And this is the site basic. You can just add here alternative website name. So as you can see, they're mainly just telling about it, like what is mainly for. So let's say your website name is expert azi, but people gonna search like this way, so use this alternative website and people know this name, so simply just add the name in there. And this is gonna be a tagline, and this is the separator, this is site image. Just simply just add all of the information and just save it. Now let's go to the next is site representation. It's mainly on a person, and as you can see, all of the details are there. Now if you like to change it, then you can do it from here. If you think that okay, I need to change, then you can do it. Site connection. Okay, so now from there you can manually, or you can just simply index your website content to this specific search engine, so that people, if they use the search engine to search your website or find your website, they will get easily. So it's really interesting. Just follow this, like here the tutorial. As you can see, I think it's not a tutorial. Let's click on this link. So as you can see, they directly redirect us here. Okay, so you can just follow it. Just go to this link, add your website link, copy the code, and just paste here. Very simple. So my website is not ready yet, so that's why I'm not doing it. So this is mainly the thing, like basic setting you need to do. And now it's also have a few like more settings. You can do it here, but I'm not doing anything. Okay, now let's go to here this all post this button. And now here is the interesting part. Let's say I like to click on here this edit button to make this post SEO friendly. You know, sometimes we just make a content for our website like blog post, and we need to make them SEO friendly. So you can just simply click on here this edit button to edit. Okay, now we can update the content here. You know, you can update the content on this bottom of this. You will get to see Yoast SEO result. Right now, as you can see, it looks great. That means it's really need to be updated. Or also, if you click on this widget, then you will get to see here more details. Now you can just add here focus keyword, and also you're gonna see the preview, how it's gonna look like, meta details, and also if you see here readability, it's good. And also if you click on there, then they also suggest you to update these 2 problems they find out. You can easily fix it. And if you scroll down there, then as you can see, if you click on this here SEO analysis, then you will get to see like they find out 7 problem. So if you solve this problem, then your score will be upper. Your score will be upper. Okay. So here you can see all of this here. And if you just click on this text length, if you don't understand what is mainly the text length, just click on there. Just click. Then you will be redirected on a different website, and just you will go there and read the article. Then you will understand more about it. And if you just, let's say, don't understand about meta description length, click on there, just open a new tab, then read the article, and you will understand about it. Okay, just need to spend a little bit of time for understanding it. So when you solve this issue, then your SEO score will be upper, and then you're gonna see this is gonna be, right now it's sad right now, and this emoji is good, so you will get like this type of emoji or yellow color emoji. Then you feel like, okay, it's okay to go ahead. Okay, so yeah, this is mainly about WordPress SEO, and this is the way you can set up it. And I also tell you that if you like to learn more about it, then you can do this way. And also if you like to install another plugin, or if you like to compare with that, then at the starting you see 3 plugins is there: Rank Math, All-in-One SEO. Just watch all of this tutorial on YouTube and take a decision that which one you're gonna use.